Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be very important for all of you who are preparing for Infosys hiring. Even though this test date is already over, this video will help you in the future because the same type of mail and process is repeated every time. Recently, one of my friends received this Infosys test link mail and shared all the details with me. So in this video, I will explain each and every point mentioned in that mail clearly. First, let's understand what this mail is about. You are shortlisted for two roles: Specialist Programmer Trainee, Digital Specialist Engineer Trainee. The test is an online test. Now, coming to the important timing details. Test date was on 26th April 2026. Test timing is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Total duration was 3 hours. Very important point is login window is only 30 minutes. That means you must log in between 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. If you miss this window, you cannot take the test. If you get the chance to take the test, your scores will be not considered. Now let's talk about the login instruction. You will get a username and password in the mail. You must reset this password at least 4 hours before the test. When you log in for the first time, system will ask you to create a new password. After that, you must log in again using the new password. Only then you can access the test. Before the test, make sure your system is ready. Internet speed should be between 2 Mbps to 5 Mbps. You need a stable internet connection throughout the test. Also, there will be a check here link in the mail. Use that to check your system compatibility, camera, microphone. This helps avoid last minute issues. Very important technical requirement: use only Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Version must be a latest one. Disable pop-up blocker. Using any other browser is not recommended. Now comes the most important part: rules you must follow. Webcam is mandatory. If your camera is not working, go to the browser settings. There will be a camera section. You choose the whichever camera which you are going to use for the test. Your face must be visible throughout, no blocking or hiding. Do not switch tabs or exit screen. Every time everything is monitored and recorded. Do not use mobile phones, smartwatches, headphones, any electronic devices. These are strictly prohibited. One of the most important points: all your code will go through a plagiarism check. If you copy paste from anywhere, including AI tools, you will be instantly disqualified. If your code works perfectly, you will still be rejected. If you copy paste also, make sure to change the variable names and all. So guys, this is the complete breakdown of the Infosys test invitation mail. Even though this particular test is already completed, this video will super helpful when you receive the same mail in the future. Make sure you follow every instructions carefully because small mistake can lead to disqualification. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the best for your upcoming tests.